One of the things that's always a concern when a person comes to meet with a lawyer for the first time is, what's this going to cost me? Sometimes it's a thing in the back of their mind. Sometimes it's something that's very out there, and they express that concern. But everyone's always thinking, I'm going to a lawyer, I'm dealing with this legal issue for the first time, and I'm concerned about the cost. Everyone thinks in their mind the cost is going to be so much, it's going to be so great that it's going to be prohibitive for me to accomplish what I need to accomplish legally because I can't pay for it. We understand that concern, and we recognize that for a great many people that has been their experience with attorneys, that the cost seems to be greater than they can bear. Because we're sensitive to that, we have structured our business and the way in which we practice law to help keep those costs down as much as we can. We look to be efficient in our handling of each individual matter. We look to see what's the problem to be solved and focus our time and energies on that. We don't treat each case and each client like they're coming through a car wash, where we run them through a series of predetermined activities in the litigation in order to get to a particular end, all the while billing and charging for each of those different activities along the way. Instead, we look at it and say, what does this client need? What's going to be most helpful and effective at solving the problem that they're experiencing? And we focus our energies on that. We've also intentionally kept our rates below market rate so that it makes it easier and more accessible for our clients. We make retainers easy and accessible. In all of what we've structured, we're trying to say, how would we want to be treated if we were coming to a lawyer with a legal problem, and that we act accordingly?